Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this issue on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply search bar, then type here control panel, then click here to open it. Then we need to select view by as category, then select network and internet, then click on network and sharing center. Now here simply click on your internet connection, select Ethernet, then on this window click on properties, and here we need to select IPv4 internet protocol version 4, then click on properties. Now here we need to select this option, obtain an IP address automatically, then select this, obtain DNS server address automatically, then click on OK and close all windows one by one. Then in the next method, right click here, select task manager, then click on run new task. Now select browse button, select this PC and open C folder. Now open Windows folder, then open System32 folder, just scroll down and double click on it to open it, and from here we need to find out cmd.exe file. Just scroll down, here you will get, select it, click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command, so type this command carefully and hit enter to execute this command. Type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter. Now type exit to close this command prompt window, then simply right click here, select settings, then we need to select network and internet, and on this window just scroll down, select proxy, and we need to turn on this option, automatically detect settings. So after that, close this window, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.